I'm sitting in my brand new nice upholstered armchair that I just had delivered from Structube at 7 o'clock this morning. Now they did let me know that they would be here today between 7 and 11, and sure enough I was the first on their delivery route, so by about 8 o'clock I had this thing all put together. I was really happy about the delivery because, as you may recall, I had ordered a mattress that was supposed to come one day. I waited all day for it. There was no call, no delivery, and I ended up canceling it. But with Structube, everything went just absolutely perfectly. The delivery guys were really nice. There was just a bit of assembly required, which means that I just had to basically screw the legs on, the 4 legs, 3 screws each, which came with the product. But luckily, I had an Allen key, or Allen wrench, or hex key as they're called, these little L-shaped tools. I needed number 3, and they usually come in several sizes anyway, and so if you're getting one of these chairs, or pretty well any chair that you have to put together might have one of these, so they're really handy to have on hand. So I'm going to just show you this little video I made of how easy it was to put together. So I tipped the chair in the same direction that it shows here in the picture. It's laying on its back. And I've already put one leg on. Each piece is marked, like this is marked C. And there are 3 holes. There's only one way that they can match up, so just turn it like that. You can start off just screwing them in by hand. They go in very easily, and then you end up tightening them with your little wrench, which does not come with it. So I have 2 more to go. Getting there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.